is out, one slow out, Defiant. We have market value. And on the outside, Owaki, Ale is Storm Gas. He's the man. We have market value, the leader. And on the outside is Owaki. Alain gonna have back in third comes number 4A. Ale is Storm Gas and he's the man. Market value by about half a length. And on the outside is Owaki. 2 lengths, so in third is Storm Gas. Ale alongside and he's the man. Owaki takes the lead. Down on the inside is market value. Fighting it out for the lead. And in third now is Storm Gas. Ale, he's the man. And that's still market value. Owaki's on the outside, matching their strides together. Racing in third is Storm Gas and Ale. And that's still market value. And Owaki's on the outside. Is Storm Gas now trying to get closer in third. Ale, and he's the man. As they come down at the last 150. Owaki's on the outside. Market value is running by the market value. Owaki fighting it out for the leader. But it's still market value. Owaki's on the outside. Owaki moves up and finally. Owaki market value. Ale, then comes Storm Gas and he's the man. Defiant.
Defiant? Wala naman si Defiant.
Wala, binabaan na ni Francis.
Oo, eh.
Anyway, it's